Okay, what I see in my practice every day. You just turned 45, maybe 48, 52, but you're noticing wrinkles, thinner skin, even face fat loss. That fat that was once making you look young is now gone. But what's actually happening here, and most importantly, how do you stop it and reverse it? I'll give you my exact 5-step formula I use and give to my concierge patients today. Number one's bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT. By 50, hormones are the biggest game changer in how you age. Estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone drop. The estrogen affects your skin from collagen loss. That accelerates. You'll see more fine lines, wrinkles, and skin thinning. Next is testosterone. That affects the face fat. Low testosterone means muscle loss and sagging. Testosterone also affects facial fat distribution. Progesterone. Few talk about this one. Progesterone affects your hydration. Low progesterone impacts skin, hydration, sleep, and inflammation levels. I'll link a video in the more info section all about estrogen face creams and exactly how to use them. That's why I call BHRT, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, the biggest game changer in aging. So what do? Well, you get your hormone levels checked. This is the panel at a minimum. Estradiol E2, progesterone, free and total testosterone, DHEAS, and you want a thyroid panel, but not just a TSH. You want to get a free T3, free T4, and a reverse T3 as well. You got to go to step 2, and that is bone density. Most people don't connect bone loss with aging skin, but it's huge. Your skull shrinks with age, and that makes your face look more sunken. Here's the kicker. Hormone decline doesn't just make you look tired. It literally thins your skin and melts your face fat. Look at this picture of bone. Even bone, when we say melting, this is what I mean. It's as if everything's drawn down. Look around the eyes and in the mouth area. Look what happens to the orbit. Melting. Yes, your bones are collapsing inward as you age. The maxilla, it retracts. That's why a lot of people need a lip lift or get an increasing distance from the nose to the top of the lip as we age. And don't underestimate the power of red and near infrared light around the mouth. It's why I developed the Plasma Glow lip and mouth device. Simple, safe, and effective, and whiter teeth. It's why faces look hollow, not just from the skin, but the foundation, the structure that's beneath it. So what do? Well, a DEXA scan is the first step for my patients, and that's the gold standard to check for bone loss. All of my concierge patients are on K2D3, along with collagen peptides and Plasma Restore Glow gummies. Now, on to number 3, the fat pad in the face crisis. Have you ever noticed how some people's faces look a little gaunt or sunken in their 50s? That's the fat pad loss. This is the 2026 silent crisis of aging no one's talking about. Fat pad loss. Once it's gone, fillers can't replace it naturally. You want to watch my video on, do fillers ever really go away? It's eye-opening. Only PRF can restore it if you want a simple blood draw method. So you have to preserve it and stimulate it early because you want to avoid all of that stuff when possible. So what do? Well, the first thing is you want to prevent fat loss. Plus, Sculptra and PRF. These stimulate your own collagen and fat production over time. You want to avoid excessive cardio. Stick to strength training instead. Step 4, advanced skincare. In the morning, a gentle cleanser. An antioxidant serum, vitamin C, E plus ferulic is what commonly people use. However, there's a new sheriff in town here. It's called THD ascorbate. Forget the hype. THD ascorbate is 20 times more powerful than old school vitamin C. And here's the most important part. It penetrates deeper with less irritation. Those are 2 huge benefits. Because yes, it's fat soluble. It's all about the fat. Now you're getting it. I want you to skip peptides. You can add them if you're using something like plasmasomes. That's going to be your go-to. Plasmasomes are a derma rolling product that are direct signals to your skin that replaced exosomes. So you can skip your peptides in the morning and use plasmasomes at night. And yes, 2025, you can derma roll and microneedle safely at home. And in fact, I have a complete free course. I'll link it in the more info below. 25% of my patients do this and they love it. So what do you do in the morning? Use a volufiline cream. Now let's go to the PM routine. You need a retinoid. I like retinaldehyde much better. And the other part of this marriage is your glycolic acid. Add peel pads. You can get peel pads that are glycolic and retinol. Now in your skincare routine, you want to add RF. Step 5, nutrition and metabolic shifts. You want to increase your protein. Aim for 100 to 120 grams per day. Protein is your new wrinkle cream. Under-eating protein after 45 is the fastest way to age your face. When I ask my patients how much protein do you get in a day, they don't know. It's something you need to know. It's that important to your skin, your fat pads, your bone, and how you feel actually. You have to lower your sugar content, lower your processed carbs. You want to eat healthy fats only, hydration, and electrolytes. I have ElectroGlow, which is a mix. It's an electrolyte drink. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.